Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a little adventure to Ikea. I went and got a couple of new pots and I wanted to check out what other new stuff they had for the season now that we got spring coming and a lot of stores are bringing their plant stuff. I was very surprised by the things that they had. They had so many cute things, but some other things were a little overpriced. I found some pots that had some really cool shapes, some very unusual shapes, but again, I felt like they were a little overpriced, so the majority just stay there. I fell in love with this vase because it's such a thick, sturdy glass, and they even had it on a bigger size, and I brought one home just because I wanted to experiment. It was so hard not to bring one of each because I fell in love with almost everything that I saw. And I went to Ikea with one specific goal in mind, which is to get some hanging pots that I really needed to maximize some of my space, so I try not to stare away from my goal. After securing the pots from Ikea, I stopped by Lowe so I can get some hardware to hang up those pots. And of course, I could not leave Lowe's without checking out the plant section. They had some pretty cute stuff, but nothing that caught my attention, so nothing came home with me. So I definitely got this vase, like I mentioned. I just fell in love with it. It is so thick. And these are the hanging pots that I got from Ikea. I love them. They're super sturdy. They're made out of metal, and you can customize them to make them longer or shorter. I also fell in love with this cute little pot. It was super adorable, and that was pretty much it. Alright, so I went to Lowe's and I got this thing, hook situation to go on the wall. And I was thinking I can hang one from this little hook and then the other one from here. Kind of like one really long and then the other one a little shorter, because I think I saw them on their display. I think I saw like one really short and one really long. So I think it's gonna work out, hopefully. So I'm thinking I can put it as high as possible. Actually, maybe right here. The thing is, one of them hangs really long. I'm gonna do it right here, see what happens. Hopefully there's a beam there. And I think there is a beam there. There has to be a beam there. That should work. All right. Oh, no. All right, so here's to hoping there's a beam. Gonna do the first one. There's a beam. When in doubt, always knock to see if you have a beam. All right, now this is gonna be hard, and I wish I had another hand. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now this was gonna be tough because of the angle. I might have to do this one manually, actually. Yeah, I don't know. Ugh. Okay, no, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to use a manual drill, screwdriver, a screwdriver, because this doesn't fit in that hole. All right, so I got the short one. Hopefully this one will do it, but I'm gonna be screwing for a while. Okay. That's as good as it's gonna get. That's as good as it's gonna get. I should have done it higher. then this is the other one. Oh, stop it. What if, instead, can we share the hook? No, that was a little bit. It's not bad, not bad. Hold on. Too complicated. Oh, but I really like the stick. I like that. But it looks like what I'll have to do. You know what I mean? I love it. And I did this all to have somewhere to put this beast. All right, I was running out of ideas of what I could do with this begonia because it is so big. And I wasn't sure where I was going to display it. This thing grows like crazy. And she's still crammed. If you really think about it, she is still cramped because she's gonna keep growing. Maybe the one higher up. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I like it. I like it. I love it. And now down here, it's gotta give. Down here, it has to be cute too. And now you can actually see like the bottom of the leaves because they're like very burgundy. I like that. I like that. So who am I going to put under? Come on. Ay, no, qué belleza, qué belleza. I love it. I love it. I do think I have to put something under it because this pot is too big, so the plant is like, I gotta put something under. I know what I'm talking about. All right, I have an old ornament. Let's see. I'll put this under. No, this is perfect. And I'm actually going to take off the sticks because now she can hang with no problem. This is nice. I like it. I like it. Now I got space to put plants here. Oh, I love it. It looks so pretty. Yeah, so worth it. So worth it. And I know it looks a little dark up there, but I do have some new lights that I'm gonna put up here. I just don't have the time to do them today, but I will have a new light going up there. So they'll get a little bit of natural light. They're literally right up on the window, and then the artificial light that's gonna go up there. All right, so I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. I'm gonna go play some Pokemon Go with my husband and my kids. Later tonight when my kids go to sleep, I think I'm gonna water my plants, and that concludes my weekend plant chores. I have to put up those lights, but I think I'm gonna need a bigger ladder. That's probably not going to happen today, maybe the following weekend. So stay tuned. I am gonna put up those lights and it's gonna make a huge difference. I have to take off that light. That's a I think that's a T8. And I think it's a little too strong, especially when I'm sitting down on the couch. That strong light is just beaming on us when we're in the couch. And I have some plants that I think are going to benefit from not having a super strong light, like my Hoya Nova Ghost. I believe she does not like a ton of light because now the leaves are coming out splashy instead of super silver. So I'm gonna work on that. I will see you on the next one. Bye.